Clear the red carpet.
Marabe.
Thank you.
We came back to Africa. Yes.
Learn to walk on the red carpet.
Well, it was the ambassadors of Ethiopia, of Cuba, and United Arab Emirates presenting the letters of credence. And these are countries that we've had very good and close relationships with for many years. And, you know, there were several discussions about ongoing issues, and it was very, very amiable, and in fact, some of them were quite emotional because, for instance, the ambassador of Cuba is returning for the second time as Cuba's ambassador to Nigeria, and of course United Arab Emirates as well. So very keen to resolve all outstanding issues, with Nigeria, and they were very fruitful discussions. Absolutely, because the work had started even before the presentation of the letters of credence by the ambassador. So this is something that you're going to see changes, issues resolved as quickly as possible. He brought good tidings and well wishes, and also plans for the two leaders to meet in the near future. So it's very good, very promising.